Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Hi mommies! Today we'll see different mudras. All our life we've been doing this, There is so much of power in all our fingers. And mudras is nothing but Ayurvedic science. And now scientifically it is proved that by doing different positions of our fingers, we can re-energize ourselves. We can re-channelize our energy. And how this happens? The tip of our fingers have lots of electrons. And when we make it into different positions, our tendons and our electrical circuits get re-channelized through our chakras. And that is how we reinstate the energy in our system. So anything that is going haywire can be corrected simply by doing different positions of the hands. See, in Indian dances, we know there are different positions, different mudras are done. They all depict something, and all that while you're doing also keeps you healthy and happy. So today we will see how these mudras can be beneficial to us in pregnancy. We do so many mudras all day, but there are a few ones which are very, very important. Like when we do this and we say it's very good. This is nothing but Gyaan mudra. We're approximating our finger with our thumb. And this should be approximated very lightly. Not much pressure has to be exerted. If you take a strand of hair and take it through this, we should be able to pass it easily. And when we keep this hand on our knees, open towards the sky, back straight, eyes closed, this becomes a mudra. And we also do Namaskar. Namaskar is also a mudra. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary and Dr. Rai will tell you how to do these mudras and what are the benefits. 1. Gyaan mudra. In this, we will sit straight, approximate your index finger and thumb very gently. The other 3 fingers will remain straight. Keep them on your knees, close your eyes and just breathe deeply. Breathe in and slowly breathe out and continue. This Gyaan mudra is very good for attainment of intelligence and wisdom, purification of mind, eradication of mental illness, creation of joy, and it also helps reduce addictive habits. It reduces stress and strains, insomnia, emotional instability, excessive anger can be reduced, and if you're feeling very lazy, this mudra can re-energize you. And if you have too much of insomnia and you're taking pills, this can even keep you free from those sleeping pills. 2. Aakash mudra. In this, we will fold our middle finger, approximate it with the thumb, and the other 3 fingers remain straight. Keep them on your knees, eyes closed, back straight, body relaxed, and keep breathing and breathing out. This Aakash mudra is very good to strengthen your bones, and if somebody has hearing deficiencies, this mudra is very good. The only thing is you should not do this mudra while walking. 3. Prithvi mudra. The ring finger is folded and approximated with the thumb. Eyes closed, back straight, body relaxed, smile on your face. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. This reduces the Agni element in your body. It is also called Agni Shamak mudra. This mudra makes you feel physically and psychologically stronger, and use it when you need a lot of inner stability and self-assurance. 4. Varun mudra. In this, the little finger is approximated to the thumb. The other 3 fingers remain straight. Keep your hands on your knees, eyes closed, back straight, smile on your face and a body relaxed. Remember to breathe in slowly and breathe out. Varun Mudra is very good for people who have low hemoglobin and in skin diseases. It improves the deteriorated quality of the blood due to shortage of water. 5. Vayu Mudra. In this, the index finger is folded completely and with the help of the thumb, pressure is exerted. The other 3 fingers remain straight. Keep them on your knees, back straight, eyes closed, smile on your face, body relaxed. Breathe in and breathe out. Vayu Mudra is helpful for reducing stress, anxiety, irritability, lack of concentration, nervousness, indecisiveness, impatience, restlessness, and sleeplessness. 6. Shunya Mudra. Keep your middle finger at the root of your thumb and press it with the thumb. Then keep both your hands on folded knees so that palms face upwards. Put a little pressure on your palm and rest of the hand would be relaxed. This is very good for vomiting, vertigo, and thyroid problems. 7. Surya Mudra. In this mudra, we will fold our ring finger, keep it at the base of the thumb, and with the thumb exert pressure on the ring finger. The other 3 fingers will remain straight. Keep your hands on your knees, back straight, body relaxed, eyes closed. Breathe in slowly and breathe out. Surya Mudra helps in suppression of the earth element. This mudra helps to reduce cholesterol and assists in weight loss and maintaining a healthy balanced weight. In pregnancy, it is very good to reduce anxiety and improve indigestion problems. 8. Apana Mudra. In this, we will fold our middle 2 fingers, that is the middle finger and the ring finger, approximated with the thumb. Our index finger and ring finger will remain straight. Keep your hands on your knees and do this very gently. Apana Mudra helps in purification of the body and it removes toxins also. It regulates periods and painless discharge. It is very good for easy vaginal delivery. But this mudra should be done in pregnancy only after completing the 8th month. Practice 10 minutes every day, 3 to 4 times in a day. This mudra is very good for diabetics and kidney disorders as well. Prana Mudra. In this, we will fold our ring finger and a little finger, approximated with the thumb. Index finger and middle finger remain straight. Keep your hands on your knees, eyes closed with a beautiful smile, back straight, body relaxed. Keep breathing in and breathing out. This mudra helps to increase the Prana Shakti, the life energy force in you. It improves the quality of life by increasing your strength. It increases your self-confidence also. It increases the vitality and sustenance when deprived of food and water. It even improves your eyesight and it is very good for people whose confidence is less. It energizes the body and balances vitamins in the body. 10. Namaskar Mudra. In this, we will join both our hands, fingers to fingers, palm to palm, and we will keep our hand slightly away from the body at the level of the heart chakra. When we take the same position up to the Agya chakra between the eyebrows, it is called Pranam Mudra. This mudra creates a balance in the left brain and the right brain. It also brings calmness, harmony, maintains a balance in your body and your thoughts by working through your nerves and different nadis. Today we learned 10 different mudras and they're all very simple to do. I would like to tell you 2 very important things about that. the time duration first. Ideally, you must do it for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. If you can do it at a stretch, very nice. But if you are a little short of time, you can even do it 2 to 3 times in the day. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. So that becomes easy for you. The second important thing is your breathing pattern. What you have to do is gentle, deep breath. And remember to balance your breath. Inhalation and exhalation, the timing should approximately be the same. Now don't get worried this is becoming long or that is becoming short. Just do it very gently and I'm sure you'll be able to balance it. Do these mudras regularly and you will realize that your medication will reduce considerably for all the minor ailments that you have in pregnancy. I'm sure you liked this video and found it very helpful. So please remember to like, share it with your friends, subscribe, and in the comment section, please ask your doubts. We will get back to you. Thank you and Namaskar.